have a buy one get one free for our medium sandwich. We also have the medium sandwich for $6.49. Our most commonly purchased sandwich is the classic cheesesteak. That is meat cheese. You got American cheese on that, onions, hot peppers, and sweet peppers. We have quite a few different types of sandwiches as well as fried foods. We have a number of fries. We have regular fries, steak fries, and seasoned twister fries. We have some promotion going on right now on Facebook. If you spend $5, you can receive $10 worth of food. We also have some coupons on Yelp.com. We also have salads. We have a Philly salad, shrimp salad, garlic salad, and side salads as well. There you go, sir. Would you like any ranch, barbecue sauce, or steak sauce with that?
I'd like ranch, please.
No problem. Let me go grab that for you.